Hi, I'm John, and this is my partner Dave. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Join us Saturday mornings on channel 57, where we'll take you through how to solve common household issues. Today, we'll be replacing this drippy faucet with a Moen Surie 87395SRS kitchen faucet. But we're not going to spend a bunch of time just dishing it. We're going to get to it.
We start our fateful journey, as one would with any plumbing project, by turning off the flow of water, Mother Nature's most precious resource. After dressing our work area with ample absorbent towels and a vessel with which to collect any excess water, we will disconnect both water lines. Our previous kitchen faucet came with a detached sprayer nozzle, so we will now disconnect and discard it. Yours might not have one, and that's okay.
Excuse me. Next, we'll remove the nut from the bottom of the faucet. And the nut from the bottom of the sprayer gasket. Next, we'll remove the faucet by carefully pulling up with all of the lines attached. Then, we'll remove the gasket for the sprayer. Now, we're ready to install our new faucet. Place the gasket down over the hole, then feed your lines down through the hole until your new faucet is firmly in place. If your countertop has 3 holes, you can use the provided cover. Next, we'll push the mounting bracket onto the shank. Then we'll finger tighten the mounting nut until it's tied up against the bottom of the counter. Then we'll use the provided tool to tighten the nut. After that, we'll put the hose guide at the end of the shank. Next, we'll push the white connector end of the hose into the end of the faucet. Next, we'll connect the hose with the quick connect. Then we'll make both connections for the hot and cold water. Then we'll turn on the water. We'll also clamp on a weight to the hose. Next, we'll turn on the water and let it run for 30 seconds to test the faucet. Next, we'll connect the sprayer nozzle to the end of the hose. And tighten with the crescent wrench. The Moen Surie 87395SRS also comes with a soap dispenser. We'll put it where the old sprayer was.
Then we will once again get below the kitchen sink for the final time. Since only a short time ago we positioned our soap dispenser pump into the countertop, we will now thread on the convenient plastic nut to secure the dispenser. My partner, Dave, in all his wisdom, is a stickler for personal hygiene, so we will fill the included bottle with a lovely scented soap and secure it in place to bring this project to its rightful and timely conclusion.
As you can see, no more drippy faucet to keep us up at night. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Get To It! That was really close. Next, we push the tubey thingy down the hosey doohickey, as was the custom of the day.